Hi there, Lariane with Pink Dahlia Soaps here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are well. Today's soap is a soap inspired by almonds. And here I am dispersing the mica colorants with a little bit of the measured out oils. I do have almond oil in the recipe along with almond milk. And this is store-bought almond milk, and I just used it in place of distilled water. When you use milk in any soap recipe, you want to make sure that you freeze it first. Otherwise, it will scorch when you add the lye to it. And that's just because most milks contain natural sugars, and the lye heats up that sugar, causing it to scorch the milk unless you freeze it first. Now, almond milk is a little bit safer because depending on which milk you purchase, or if you make the milk yourself, it's going to contain little to no sugar. Like I said, I am using store-bought almond milk, and I just decided to err on the side of caution and freeze it. And I found the key to adding the lye to your frozen milk is to add it slowly. If you were to just dump that lye in there, it could overheat very quickly and defeat the purpose of you freezing the milk to begin with. And here I'm just checking the temperature. I don't think it ever got any hotter than 75 degrees Fahrenheit though. In order to avoid discoloration of the soap, I'm adding color stabilizer to the fragrance oil, which is almond. Whenever I use titanium dioxide, I like to stick blend it into the soap base. Otherwise, it tends to look not as bright white, or it can leave glycerin rivers. I don't know. Is it just me? Maybe it is. I say that to say that I wish I didn't stick blend this soap again, because with the design that I originally wanted to do, I needed for the soap to be very liquidy, and stick blending it along with maybe the fragrance oil. I've never used this fragrance oil. The soap thickened up pretty quickly. And normally I like a thicker soap because I'm using embeds and all that other stuff, but today I'm not using embeds. I wanted to do a swirl design using this piece of acrylic, but since the soap was so thick, it didn't work out quite how I wanted to. Gonna have to try this again some other time with a very thin soap base. Well, 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 looky what we have here. Some melt and pour almond shells and almonds. Nothing inside the soap and no piping on top. What's going on? Alright everyone, stay calmed. This is just your run-of-the-mill, mandatory motion sickness inducing shaky shot. Two days later, let's cut this soap. Well, well, well. It's not exactly what I was going for, but I really do like the swirl in this soap. Well, that does it for today. I want to wish everyone a happy and safe Thanksgiving. I know things are different this year, but let's do what we have to do this year so that we can enjoy many years to come. As always, thank you so very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, or leave a comment below. Take care, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.